G'day gang. Just thought I'd show you this little tip. This is a Golf, a Volkswagen. Now there's Volkswagens and Mercedes, Audi, BMW, blah blah blah, all those Euro cars. For some, one day I'll find out why. But as you see, they have a wheel bolt. Now when it goes to, especially these steel wheels, because you've got no spokes to look behind to actually locate that stud, there's no locating pins or anything, and it becomes quite a pain in the bum. So I'll show you what I've done. So you get yourself a couple of bolts, and you cut the heads off, put a little screwdriver slot in there. The reason for the screwdriver slot is when you do this with a mag wheel, the mag wheel's a lot deeper, yeah, and you need something to be able to get that out. I'll get this out of here and put the other one in. You need two, because if you don't, it'll find the heavy bit and it'll fall off. And there we go. Without that, how are you gonna, you know what I mean? It's just a, so there we go. Then we'll just take the, I can't really, I haven't got enough hands. Take the wheel off and then we can just undo these things. And the same when it's going back on. Lift up, bam, piece of cake. Okay, have yourselves a good one. Thought I'd show you that one. Cheers, check you later. Oh, I have other ones too. I got more. Of course, you make them up yourself. Just got to find the bolts. Check you later. Have a good one. Bye.
I love you all. Brand new one. Top the right. And something about